Good afternoon, students. Now, this video we will continue with lesson number 4, water safe for drinking. Before that, let's have a short revision of what we have learned. Now, in last video we had done a experiment in which we had learned that some things float in water whereas some things do not float and they sink in the water because their weight is more than the water, that is why they sink, and those objects whose weight is less they float on the water. Okay, now let's continue further. Now today in this video I will teach you a new term, settling. Okay, now I will explain you this term with the help of experiment. So this is a third experiment which we are doing in this lesson. Okay, before starting, let's see the aim. What we want to prove? We want to learn what is settling. And the material which we require for doing this experiment are, we have to take here some muddy water, means in which mud or soil is mixed. Such water we need, and we need a big beaker. Okay, in bracket, if you do not find muddy water, then make some by adding some soil, pieces of dried twigs, straw, leaves, etc. to water. Okay, if you do not find anywhere muddy water, take some soil from any area or ground, okay, outside your house. Then what you do, take the big beaker, in that you put that soil. Okay, with that soil you put some dried twigs and straws, leaves, whatever you find in that area. Okay, and then that water becomes a muddy water. Okay, now in procedure, what we have to actually do in this experiment. Point number 1, take some muddy water in a big beaker. Okay, take the beaker, in the beaker you take muddy water. Okay, now second point, now allow this beaker to stand still for 4 or 5 hours. Okay, first you mix the soil or mix the mud in the beaker, and then you let or leave the beaker to, you keep the beaker in some place in your house and do not touch that beaker for 4 to 5 hours. Stand still means without touching. Okay, keep it in a place for 4 to 5 hours. Now let's start with the experiment. Okay, for the experiment we will require a beaker or a glass like this, transparent, and you have to take clean water in it, or for mixing the soil, or directly you can take muddy water, but I don't have a muddy water, so I have taken clean water. Now I will put soil in it. Okay, can you see I am putting soil here, and you have to mix this soil properly in the clean water. Okay, you have to make the water muddy, because for experiment we require muddy water. Okay, see the color of the transparent water has become brown color. Okay, can you see soil particles are there in the water now? Okay, they are floating, mixed and floating here and there in the water, soil particles. Some twigs, some dust is also floating because their weight is light than water. Now you have to keep this water for 4 to 5 hours like this only, without disturbing. Okay, slowly the particles are going down. Then after 4 to 5 hours you will see this water upper portion clean, and in the below part you will see a layer of the soil or the layer of the sediment. Can you see? Yes, this process is called as settling. Yes, these particles come slowly because they are very tiny. Okay, and a layer or a sediment is formed at the bottom of the water in the beaker. This is called as settling. Now we will see the observation. Now we have completed the experiment. Now we will see what we have observed. We have observed that the particles of soil sink in the water. Sink means goes down slowly in the water and forms a layer or sediment at the bottom. And it forms a layer or sediment at the bottom of the beaker. Why? Because the soil particles are heavier than water, but as they are very tiny, so they go slowly at the bottom of water. But twigs and other rubbish float on the water. But some light particles, dry rubbish, they float on the water. It takes a long time for the sediments to form. Okay, we had kept the glass for 4 to 5 hours. That means it is a long time for the particles to settle down. Okay, to form the sediment. What is sediment? Water. Yes, thick substances. Okay, sediments mean a layer of thick substance. Okay, and rubbish means what? Waste material. The waste material which was there in the water, in the soil, it was floating on the water. Okay, now what is the conclusion? What we have proved? Particles of soil are heavier than water, but because they are very small, they take a long time to settle to the bottom of the water. Okay, leaves, twigs, etc. are lighter than water. Okay, soil particles are heavier than water, that is why they sink in the water and they take time to settle down to form sediment and layer at the bottom of the water in the beaker. And leaves, twigs, etc., the rubbish in the water, they are lighter than the water, that is why they float. Now the water appears much cleaner and transparent than it was. Okay, now in the upper layer of the beaker we have got clean water and transparent water. Okay, not very clean but little bit clean. So now what is settling? What we understood about settling? The process of allowing heavier particles to settle to the bottom of still water is called as settling. It is a process of allowing heavier particles to settle down, to settle to the bottom of still water is called as settling. You have to learn this paragraph as it is. Okay, now without disturbing the sediments. Okay, now first picture which you can see after settling, this is what we have got, the glass like after settling the soil in the water. Now what you have to do is, without disturbing this glass, you have to take 2 more beakers. Okay, can you see 2 more beakers? Step 1, take two empty beakers. Now what you have to do, pour the water above it into 2 smaller beakers. Now whatever blue portion is there in the first beaker after settling glass, whatever blue color portion water you can see, half you have to put in both the beaker. First you have to name those beaker 1 and 2 like I have given C. Okay, and half of water you have to pour in both the beakers. Okay, this is the continuation of the experiment. Still we are doing the experiment. We have just finished the experiment for learning settling, but we will be learning further the new term filtration. Okay, filtration. So you have to use that same water which you have got from settling, the upper portion of water. You have to put in both the beaker, another 2 beakers which you have to name 1 and 2. Even though this water appears much clean than before, there are still some fine particles of soil and some rubbish floating in it. Okay, still some rubbish is present, so we will clean that also with the filtration process. Step 1 and step 2 you have to do. Okay, now we will carry out another experiments using these 2 beakers. Okay, so label them 1 and 2. Okay, step 2, can you see? You have to label them 1 and 2 because we will continue the experiment in the next video. Okay students. Okay, this much only for today. Thank you so much students. Do like, comment and share for more videos, and do not forget to subscribe my channel.